Hi, good day, all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session, now I want to give you the clear information regarding the click view and how the click view is different from ClickSense and what are the advantages of the ClickSense. Both the tools are from the same vendor, that is Click only. So, what are the differences between these two? ClickView was stopped already. The ClickView tool was stopped in the year of 2017, and then ClickSense is introduced a new tool for the data visualization. So, what are the highlights? What are the differences between these tools, and what are the highlights in the ClickSense? Now, I'm going to emphasize in this particular video. So, let us start. What is the ClickView? Actually, ClickView is a business intelligence tool used for discovering and analyzing the data. And what is the advantage of it? It is also used to analyze the complex data sets which are from various kinds of the resources like spreadsheets, databases, and various kinds of the platforms. And it also provides some built-in features for create captivating visual representing of the data. So what do you understand by this? A click view is purely a business intelligence tool for discovering and analyzing the data, and as well as it also collects the data from multiple number of the sources like databases, spreadsheets, and other kind of the platforms. And it itself contains various kinds of the built-in features and visual representations. And what are the differences between ClickView and ClickSense now? See, here I am narrating the differences between the ClickView and as well as the ClickSense. Here, ClickView is a guided analytics, whereas your ClickSense having the self-service analytics. So the analysis can be done in the ClickSense by the self-service. Here we need to follow some steps. So that's why it is called as guided. And it offers better control over the customizability. It is somewhat not user-friendly compared to this ClickSense, whereas your ClickSense is completely user-friendly and also find the insights quick and very easy to represent those insights. And ClickView is completely developed on .NET based, whereas ClickSense is it's a front end actually and HTML5 based. And in the ClickView, it requires certain filters, whereas in the ClickSense, there is no filter concept. It's not required filters. Some inbuilt features are available here in the ClickSense. So here it is a pixel by pixel layout and it is a limited layout. So guided analytics, self-service analytics in the ClickSense, and ClickSense. While we understand the ClickSense scenario by comparing this with ClickView, so it is somewhat complex and .NET based and requires filters and pixel by pixel layout. Whereas when compared with ClickView, the ClickSense is self-service, it is analytics and inbuilt filters and GUI based with HTML5 and as well as very user-friendly environment and limited layout. And we will explore some more differences. See here some other kind of the differences. Here ClickView provides more options for charts, layers, containers, and as well as the objects, whereas ClickSense simpler designs and modern charts it provides. But more options for the charts are available in ClickView only, like layers, containers, and objects. But ClickSense is simple design and modern charts. ClickView provides online analytical processing capabilities because it is basically a business intelligence tool. As previously we have seen in our previous slide, it is a business intelligence tool. So it is having the OLAP capabilities, whereas in the ClickSense does not have any kind of online analytical processing capabilities. And ClickView doesn't having the storytelling feature, whereas in the ClickSense having the storytelling feature means we are making a slide of important visualizations and playing that slide in a play, just play the slides one after another. That feature is called as the storytelling. If you want to present your presentations before your team, the good visualizations you picked up, and you can play them before your team, and you can explain them the differences of the visualizations, the analysis, and the explanation of the visualizations, everything to your team, then this feature storytelling is very helpful. So ClickSense provides powerful features storytelling, whereas ClickView doesn't have this. And the next one, the ClickView is data mining and smart search, and whereas in the ClickSense there is no data mining and smart search. Okay. So, what are the other advantages? By examining this, what we can conclude that your ClickSense, by comparing this ClickView, it is having no OLAP capabilities, but having the storytelling feature and no smart search. Apart from that, it is having simpler designs for the modern charts. And what are the other advantages of the ClickSense? Now we are going to see. So makes analytics easily, instantly outputs and insights, and efficient collaboration and embedded analytics. These are the various kinds of advantages which are provided from this ClickSense. Apart from this, the ClickSense also provides some kind of mashups, API development, and as well as data modeling, data management, etc features also. So this is the difference. In this way, the ClickSense is differ from ClickView. Okay, so this is about the advantages of the ClickSense. So if at all anybody didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you one and all.